This is a Squire aswl2 armored shutter lock. It's kind of a 5-pin lock. Number 2 and number 4 are actually 0 lift, so you only have to hit 1, 3, and 5 for the lock to open. I realized I didn't have any Squire locks in my collection, so I ordered one from Amazon. I ordered a 550 closed shackle, one of the big ones, but it never showed up, so I got a refund. And I seen that this Squire was Amazon Prime 2-day delivery, so I got this one, and I got another like a Yale Platinum or something coming. But so to get into this lock, I'm gonna use my covert instruments turning tool on top of the keyway 32 thousandths, and then my Peterson's number 4 hook. So I'm gonna go into number 1. I gotta click out of number 1, but it's nothing on 2. I'm gonna hit number 3. 4 is a no lift. I overset something. Alright, I overset something. So 1, nothing on 2. 3, I got a little movement on the core. 4 is no lift. And then 5 is set really high. So I know there's different levels to all this, but I did kind of expect a little bit more out of Squire. It has plenty of anti-drill protection. It's rated at number 7. I mean, it's got the spinning anti-drill plate. The whole thing's brass, armored. I thought it was going to be a little bit harder to open, but I'll give it this with the 2 no-lift pins. As soon as you go to over-break it, something's overset and the lock won't open. I mean, it's a good lock. It's a strong lock. It's a 5-pin core that you only have to lift 3 of the pins. And they all feel like standard pins, but that's the Squire aswl2.